friends, welcome to the channel. So in my last video I discussed about the zero order reaction. We find the integrated rate law for the zero order reaction and also we discuss some of the examples. So in this video I will discuss about the first order reaction. So in first order reaction, value of n is equal to 1. So n is total order of reaction. So we will consider one simple reaction. A gets converted into P. So when time t is equal to 0, initial concentration of A is C naught and initial concentration of P is 0. At time t is equal to T, concentration of A will be Ct and concentration of P is X. So जब टाइम t मेरा 0 है मतलब स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पे जो मेरी A की कंसंट्रेशन होगी, इनिशियल कंसंट्रेशन A की क्या होगी C नॉट और P की क्या होगी 0, क्योंकि रिएक्शन मेरा स्टार्ट ही नहीं हुआ, A बिल्कुल भी P में कन्वर्ट नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन टाइम t पे मतलब 5 मिनट्स के बाद 10 मिनट्स के बाद मेरा X कंसेंट्रेशन A की P में कन्वर्ट हो चुकी है. तो यहाँ पे जो लेफ्ट कंसेंट्रेशन होगी वो क्या होगी, Ct इज इक्वल टू C नॉट माइनस X. ओके, सो नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू डिफरेंशियल रेट लॉ, rate of reaction is equal to minus dA by dt. Okay, A is being disappeared, so negative sign will come. Okay, so rate law according to order of reaction will be rate of reaction is equal to K, that is rate constant, concentration of A raised to power 1. Here 1 is the order of reaction and this order of reaction has nothing to do with these stoichiometric coefficients. Okay, so from 1 and 2, minus dA by dt will be equal to K concentration of A raised to power 1. So rearrange the expression, minus K dt. Now you just have to integrate both the sides. Okay, so minus 1 by A dA is equal to minus K constant dt and applying the limits A naught to A and 0 to T. Okay, A naught is the initial concentration and A is the final. Okay, so now you must know how to integrate. So integration of 1 by x dx is equal to natural log x. In the same way we will apply here. Okay, wait for a second. Okay, so natural log A and applying the limits, that is A naught to A is equal to minus K T 0 to T. Okay, so it will give upper limit minus lower limit, natural log A minus natural log A naught minus K T minus 0. So it will give natural log A minus natural log A naught minus KT. Okay, so this is the integrated rate law for the first order reaction. Okay, so now rearranging this expression so that we can compare it with the equation of the line, plus natural log A naught. So equation of line is y is equal to mx plus c. In the similar way we did before for the zero order reaction. Okay, so here y is equal to natural log A, m is the slope which is equal to minus k, x is t, x and y are the coordinates. Okay, plus c is equal to natural log A naught and c is intercept, m is the slope. Okay. Now we will plot a graph. Here y-axis is natural log A and x-axis time t. Okay. So here time t is equal to 0. So putting the value of t in this equation, so you will get natural log A minus natural log A naught is equal to 0. So natural log A is equal to natural log A naught. Okay. So here it is natural log A naught. So slope is negative, so we will get the graph in the decreasing order. Now to find this value, here time t is increasing, so natural log A will be equal to 0. Okay. So putting natural log A is equal to 0 in this expression, so we will get natural log A minus natural log A naught minus kt. Okay. 0 minus natural log A naught is equal to minus kt. Minus से minus cancel, so you will get the value of t as natural log A naught by k. So value of this point is natural log A naught by k. Okay. जब यहाँ पे t इंक्रीज हो रहा है तो मेरा नेचुरल लॉग ए नॉट 0 होगा, और जब मेरा नेचुरल लॉग ए नॉट इंक्रीज हो रहा था तो मेरा टाइम पीरियड t 0 था. तो ये कोऑर्डिनेट निकालने के लिए मैंने t को 0 माना, और जब मुझे ये वाला कोऑर्डिनेट फाइंड आउट करना है तो मैंने नेचुरल लॉग a को 0 माना. ठीक है. तो फिर मैंने वो वैल्यूज इस एक्सप्रेशन में पुट करी, तो यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ दीज टू कोऑर्डिनेट्स. ओके. Now to convert this natural log into log, we have to multiply with 2.303. Okay. So 2.303 log A. So to convert natural log into log, we have multiplied it with 2.303. Okay. Minus kt. In the same way, 2.303 log A naught. Okay. So 2.303 log A minus 2.303 log A naught is equal to minus kt. कुछ नहीं किया, बस मैंने इस टर्म को इधर शिफ्ट कर दिया. सो कॉमन ले लिया 2.303. वी विल गेट log A minus log A naught is equal to minus kt. Okay. 2.303 log A माइनस log B का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? log A बाय B. सो log A बाय A नॉट. log A माइनस log B का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? log A बाय B. तो वो जो टर्म्स होती है वो डिवाइड में चली जाती है, सो इट विल बी इक्वल टू माइनस kt. नाउ log A माइनस log A नॉट will be equal to minus kt by 2.303. Okay. So log A will be equal to minus kt by 2.303 plus log A naught. Okay. Now comparing this equation with the equation of line, that is y is equal to mx plus c. Y is log A, m which is log minus k by 2.303, x is equal to t, and c which is intercept is equal to log A naught. Now plotting the graph, we will get log A and t, and slope is negative. So first of all we will find the value of this coordinate by putting t is equal to 0. Okay. So log A minus log A naught, putting t is equal to 0, you will get log A is equal to log A naught. So we will get the value of this log A naught. Okay. Now to find, so slope is negative, so you will get graph in the decreasing order. So find this value, you have to put log a is equal to 0. So you will get 0 minus log a naught minus kt by 2.303. So t will be equal to minus से minus cancel 2.303 by k log a naught is equal to t. So value of this coordinate is 2.303 by k log a naught is equal to t. Okay. So in this way you can plot the graph between log a and t. Okay. Now calculation of half-life period. Okay. So at t is equal to t half, concentration of A becomes half of the initial concentration. So ठीक है, हाफ लाइफ पीरियड पे मतलब टाइम जब टी हाफ है तो उसमें क्या होता है, जो कंसेंट्रेशन होती है वो इनिशियल कंसेंट्रेशन के हाफ हो जाती है. ओके, सो यू कैन राइट कंसेंट्रेशन ऑफ ए becomes half of the initial concentration okay. So now putting this value in the expression natural log a, so sorry here it is log a naught by 2 is equal to minus a is equal to a naught by 2, kt by 2.303 plus log a naught kt by 2.303 is equal to log a naught minus log a naught by 2. You will get log a minus log b is log a by b. So here you will get log 2. Okay. Here t is t half. Sorry, I forget to put. Okay. So now you have to find the value of t half, which will be equal to t half is equal to log 2 into 2.303 by k. Value of log 2 is 0.3010 into 2.303 by k. So value of t half will be equal to 0.693 by k. This is very important expression. Okay, so with this I end up my video. Hope you people like it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye bye friends.